I'm gonna play it again. I'm not in love. Beyonce used to sing it all the time.
No reaction.
Good morning, guys. So today is, I don't know what day it is to be honest, but it's a new day. That's all that matters. Sorry, my hand's a little pink because I was having Drinko Pop yesterday. Like non-diluted, just on my hand, old school. Speaking of old school, I also watched The Grinch this morning. I started watching it yesterday. Tiamo downloaded it on Netflix onto her phone, and it's been so much fun. I love The Grinch. It's one of our favorite childhood Christmas movies. We watch it all the time. My dad was just the best dad ever. He gave us the best childhood. We had the best movies. I don't know what the DVD is actually, but I was telling Zama just now that like I kind of want to make it a tradition for my kids to watch, like have a movie like that, but I don't know if I want them to watch The Grinch, like the OG one that I just watched, or if I want them to watch the new one that I haven't seen. I don't know, I feel like The Grinch is just like a classic, like white chicks and like Italian job. It's just one of those movies that you don't really remake. I feel like Jim Carrey was amazing on that movie. And also it's just like a really good message that Christmas is not about presents. I think the last time I know I'm talking about Christmas in like September, but last time I got presents or like we put up a tree was like when we were kids. I think after in high school we put up the tree, but we never really had presents under the Christmas tree. So we had presents like when we were growing up. But I think it's a great movie to just tell people that Christmas isn't about the presents or the gifts or like the big dinners and stuff like that. It's about hanging around with people that you love, and more importantly it's just about our savior. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. So now I just finished brushing my teeth. Zama actually run me a bath because she says that I never fill up the bathtub, and I feel like I never have to. She like fills it up to like the T, and I'm just like chilling like in a little bit of water. I don't know, so she felt like I need to like spoil myself because apparently I don't do that enough. So she ran a bath for me, so I'm going to take a bath, do the dishes, and then just take you guys along for maybe a day or two, because I don't really have anything planned like too crazy for the day. My period is coming up soon, so I'm kind of just chilling. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along for what I do today, and we'll just see where this vlog goes.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple of like days since I last spoke to you because my period came, and it came with all the pain and it was wild, but it's almost over, so I'm really excited. I'm outside right now. Today's Heritage Day actually, and I don't know how to feel really, because the next door neighbors, not that I'm jealous or like I'm envious or anything, but they're having exactly what we would have if my dad was alive in terms of Heritage Day. It would be a braai, there'd be like a jumping castle, and that's what's happening at our neighbors. So it's kind of, I don't quite understand what kind of moment or like what kind of feeling I'm having right now, but I think most of it is just like missing my dad, and just wishing we were in a better place in our lives to enjoy holidays. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I don't know. Speaking of Heritage Day, I was actually having a conversation with someone today, and you guys, this is weird what I'm gonna say, because I've been like born in South Africa, you know what I mean? South Africa is like my home. It's like home. So I was speaking to someone earlier and I was like, I actually have no idea what Heritage Day, like what's supposed to happen on Heritage Day, like what does the holiday signify? And she tried to explain like our celebrating our heritage and stuff like that. Everybody's like different cultural, like I don't quite get it, and that's crazy to me because I feel like they probably explained it in LO. I don't know where I was, so I feel like all I see is people, which is great, all I see is people like dressing up in like African attire, you know what I mean? Like for me, if I was celebrating it like everybody else, I think I'd have to be like in all head to toe Ndebele, which is great. I wish I could do that, but I don't quite understand the holiday, so I need you guys to help me. Please go down in the comments and just help me understand, like in the most basic way that you can explain it, what is Heritage Day and what are we meant to do and what do you do? Because like I said, usually my dad would just like whip up the braai stand and like get a jumping castle and like, you know, we just hang out. And I really want to celebrate it because it's a pretty huge holiday in my country, but I don't know how, and I don't want to celebrate things where I don't quite understand. So that's where I'm at right now. So the reason why I'm outside is actually because I was clearing out a space in the garden because I'm going to have a little flower garden. I think I really like flowers. My spiritual mom has the best like flower garden, so I was like, girl, I want in. So I'm clearing out a space right in the back, removing all the weeds and stuff, and I actually have a really fun vlog coming that is dedicated to me just starting my whole garden, which should be up on my channel really soon. So subscribe, click the bell, because you don't want to miss it. It's gonna be a super colorful vlog, and I love when my vlogs are super colorful.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer. It's not over. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place.
Love you.
Let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels.
Ideally, I would not be chatting to you with my glasses on, but I need to see where I'm going because it's like 10:20 and I'm headed to my spiritual mom's house, changing location because I need to have the vlog up for you guys at 12, which is in a couple of hours. So I need to upload that. My Heritage Day actually ended off pretty great because I had a gata, which I hadn't had in a very long time. So that was pretty great. And also I kind of figured out, I guess, what Heritage Day is about. It's a celebration of a culture's heritage, if you get me. But I would still like y'all's opinion or your input. I feel like maybe from next year I kind of want to every Heritage Day kind of go to a different place in South Africa and learn about a different culture's heritage, maybe starting with my own or another one, I don't know. And also I finished this book by TD Jakes, Before You Do, so I'm gonna take it back to her because it belongs to her, and then I'm hopefully gonna get a new book. I'm running out of breath. What the hell? So I'm hopefully gonna get a new book from her. This book was so good. I totally recommend it if you're looking to like get married or like buy a house. I think everybody should read it before they make any big decisions. So I'm almost there. I'm out of breath. I love you for watching. I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, and if you wish to see more of me, you can totally follow me at Nolithando Mahlangu 29. I hope there's no dog there. The gate is open. Okay, we're clear. At Nolithando Mahlangu 29 on Instagram, and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss an episode. I love you for watching, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye. Knock knock.